fascinating world of dragonflies. Masters of flight and ancient survivors, dragonflies are among nature's most captivating insects, with a history stretching back 300 million years and flight capabilities that continue to astonish scientists and engineers alike. These aerial acrobats have survived mass extinctions, adapted to changing environments, and developed hunting skills that make them some of the most efficient predators on Earth. This comprehensive exploration delves into their ancient origins, remarkable biology, ecological importance, and cultural significance, revealing why dragonflies deserve our admiration and protection. Ancient origins and evolutionary marvels. Dragonflies represent one of the oldest insect lineages on our planet, with ancestors appearing during the Carboniferous period, approximately 300 million years ago. 16. Fossil records reveal that prehistoric dragonfly relatives called griffinflies Meganosoptera achieved astonishing sizes, with wingspans reaching up to 30 inches 750, nearly the length of a modern hawk's wings 56. The giant Meganeuropsis permiana, which lived during the early Permian period, holds the record as one of the largest insects to ever exist. 5. Scientists theorize that the enormous size of these ancient dragonfly relatives was made possible by higher atmospheric oxygen levels during the Paleozoic Era, which may have allowed their respiratory systems to support larger bodies. 6. While modern dragonflies are considerably smaller, with wingspans typically ranging from 2 to 5 inches, they retain many of the extraordinary flight capabilities that made their ancestors so successful. 1. True dragonflies suborder Anisoptera first appeared during the early Jurassic period and belong to an ancient group of insects called Paleoptera, meaning ancient wing. 5. Unlike most modern insects that can fold their wings neatly against their bodies, dragonflies cannot do so, a primitive characteristic they share with mayflies. 5. Today, approximately 3,000 dragonfly species inhabit our planet, displaying an incredible diversity of colors, sizes, and behaviors. 35. Anatomy and sensory superpower. Dragonfly's body is a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering, perfectly adapted for aerial predation. Their anatomy divides into 3 distinct sections: head, thorax, and abdomen. 4. The head is dominated by enormous compound eyes that provide nearly 360-degree vision, a critical advantage for detecting prey and avoiding predators. 410. Each compound eye contains up to 30,000 individual lenses ommatidia, with some species like Eschna interrupta having 22,650 facets of 2 varying sizes. 510. This extraordinary visual system allows dragonflies to detect individual wing beats of prey insects that would appear as a blur to human eyes. 4. Their eyes can perceive ultraviolet and polarized light, and they possess between 11 to 30 types of light-sensitive opsons compared to humans' 3, giving them a supercharged perception of color and movement. 610. 3 simple eyes called ocelli supplement their vision, helping with light detection and flight stabilization. 5. The thorax is a muscular powerhouse, containing flight muscles that attach directly to the wings, unlike most insects where wings connect to movable plates. 4. This unique arrangement contributes to their unparalleled flight capabilities. The abdomen consists of 10 flexible segments that allow bending up and down, though not side to side, aiding in flight maneuvers and mating. 4. Dragonflies possess short, bristly antennae that function as wind detectors rather than smell receptors, helping them gauge wind direction and speed during flight. 4. Interestingly, they lack hearing capabilities and have only a rudimentary sense of smell, relying primarily on their extraordinary vision to navigate the world. 4. Masters of aerial combat. Dragonflies are undisputed champions of flight, capable of maneuvers that defy conventional aerodynamics. They can fly in any direction: forward, backward, up, down, sideways, and hover with helicopter-like precision. 69. Some species reach speeds up to 34–35 miles per hour, ranking among the fastest flying insects. 69. Their turning ability generates g-forces up to 9 times gravity compared to 4–5 g's that would cause most humans to black out. 9. This flight mastery stems from several anatomical adaptations. Independent control of all 4 wings allows complex flight patterns. A notice notch midway on the wing's leading edge provides flexibility and strength. Wing venation patterns unique to each species contribute to flight efficiency. 4. Direct muscle attachment to wings enables rapid, powerful strokes. 4. Their flight skills make dragonflies lethal hunters with a 95–97 success rate when capturing capturing prey far exceeding lions 20 success or birds of prey 25 success 110. They employ motion camouflage techniques during attacks, adjusting their flight path to appear stationary from the prey's perspective until the final strike. 5. Using their spiny legs like a basket, they scoop insects from midair, often removing the prey's wings with serrated mandibles before consuming them without landing. 10. From aquatic predators to aerial acrobats, dragonflies undergoing complete metamorphosis, progressing through 3 life stages: egg, larva, nymph, and adult. 111. This differs from complete metamorphosis seen in butterfly's egg, larva, pupa, adult. Females lay eggs in or near water, some inserting them into plant tissue, others dropping them directly into water. 311. Eggs may hatch in 2-5 weeks or enter diapause suspended development during winter. 11. The aquatic larval stage dominates a dragonfly's lifespan, lasting from several months up to 5 years depending on species and environment. 19. Larvae, sometimes called nymphs or naiads, are formidable underwater predators equipped with a remarkable extendable lower lip called a mask. 3. This specialized structure shoots forward with lightning speed to capture prey including mosquito larvae, tadpoles, small fish, and even other dragonfly nymphs. 39. Larvae breathe through gills in their rectum, drawing water in and expelling it forcefully to create jet propulsion for quick escapes. 3. They molt 6 to 18 times before climbing emergent vegetation for their final transformation. 11. The adult emerges by splitting its larval exoskeleton, pumping hemolymph insect blood into its wing veins to expand them, then hardening over several hours. 411. Adult dragonflies typically live only a few weeks to months, a brief but intense period dedicated to feeding and reproduction. 611. Some species, like the globe skimmer Pontala flavescens, use this time to complete incredible migrations spanning thousands of miles across generations. 510. Ecological importance and conservation. Dragons play vital roles in both aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems. As nymphs, they help control populations of mosquito larvae and other aquatic organisms. 19. Adults consume vast quantities of flying insects. A single dragonfly may eat 30100 mosquitoes daily, earning them nicknames like mosquito hawk. 69. They serve as important food sources for fish, frogs, birds, and other predators throughout their life cycle. 19. Their sensitivity to water quality makes dragonflies valuable bioindicators. 11. Since larvae develop in freshwater habitats, their presence or absence reflects ecosystem health. Some species, like the emperor dragonfly, are now being monitored as indicators of climate change as they expand their ranges northward. 11. Unfortunately, habitat loss threatens many dragonfly species. A 2021 IUCN assessment found 16% of studied dragonfly and damselfly species at risk of extinction due to wetland destruction, pollution, and climate change. 610. Conservation efforts focus on protecting freshwater habitats and reducing pesticide use, actions that benefit both dragonflies and human communities. 10. Cultural significance and symbolism across cultures. Dragonflies have inspired art, literature, and symbolism. In Japanese tradition, they represent courage, strength, and happiness, while some European folklore views them as sinister creatures. 5. Native American legends sometimes associate red dragonflies with the spirits of departed loved ones. 12. The dragonfly's life journey has made it a powerful symbol of transformation, adaptability, and living in the moment. 7. Their iridescent wings that change color with light angles symbolize the revelation of deeper truths beyond surface appearances. 7. As poet Alfred Lord Tennyson described them, dragonflies are living flashes of light that captivate our imagination and connect us to nature's wonders. 5. From their prehistoric origins to their modern-day ecological roles, dragonflies continue to fascinate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Their incredible flight mechanics inspire drone technology, while their hunting strategies offer lessons in efficiency and precision. 610. As we work to conserve their habitats, we ensure these ancient aerial marvels will continue gracing our waters and skies for generations to come.